And we're rolling. Here you go.
Let me.
What is that?
Marriott have been in business in timeshare since 1984. That is already 30 years in the business, right? So, this is our future plans. What does the batch stands for? Let me explain to details. This is our goal, 250 million by 2020. How do you want to achieve that? By having new resorts in 5 countries. What are the 5 countries? Easily defined. BOGGS. B stands for Bali. O stands for Okinawa. G stands for Goa. G stands for Gold Coast. And last but not least, Sanya. Look at all these 5 destinations. They are the world best travel destination in Asia. So that's where Marriott Vacation Club will go. Alright? So, WWND, this is our biggest help. What would NATO do to help us achieve this goal? So that's why it's in our heart to make sure all are aligned with the goal. So that's what the batch stands for. In 2020, 250 million coming to you, NATO. Thank you.
Do you believe it?
Yes, definitely. I'm a
Do you
product
believe it?
believer. Yes, believe.
believe it?
I believe it.
You what?
I believe.
You what?
I believe.
You what?
5 times. I believe.